Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have an easy peasy, it's not even a tutorial, just a craft that I wanted to do myself. You may know that I hoard stickers, and I have a lot of Puffy stickers, but don't actually know what to do with them, so I thought that I would try to make them into earrings. So this is me attempting to make cute earrings with my stickers. We're going to start with some Mod Podge and get rid of that stickiness. I feel like Mod Podge is the best option. You could use clear nail polish, but I don't think it'll end up being as, flexible as Mod Podge, which is, basically a glue. I started with a layer of Mod Podge, but then I decided that I probably should put the plastic bales on first, because Mod Podge is basically, a thin layer, so it will peel off. And so I decided to do bale and then Mod Podge, and that worked, but I then realized that the stickiness of the sticker was not enough to hold the bale on. Here I have some quick drying glue. This was just from the jewelry section in my craft store. It works on plastic and a lot of other surfaces. I'm going to take this, put a drop on, and then attach the bale. And this worked great, except for this sticker because I had that layer of Mod Podge, it actually peeled off. After this, you are going to see the correct steps. First, I am going to put a dot of glue on the back of the sticker, and then the bale, and then a layer of Mod Podge. And that seems to keep everything stuck together and sealed in, not steeled in. And I think this is how I will be making my future earring stickers. And then of course I'm adding an eye pin and earring hook, and we are done. Now I am so happy with how these turned out. You could add some beads to it, and you could make it fancier, but I'm happy with this. It's not sticky at all. The one layer of Mod Podge worked fine, and so I hope if you guys have some, Puffy stickers laying around that you don't know what to do with, you will try this craft out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!